In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a sales discount in Payhip. If you're looking to boost your sales and give your customers a little extra incentive to purchase, using discounts is a fantastic strategy. And with Payhip, setting this up is a breeze. Let's dive right in and walk through the process together. Start by logging into your Payhip account. If you haven't already, you'll need to enter your credentials on the login page. Once you're in, you'll notice an array of options displayed in the top menu. We want to find and click on the Marketing tab. This is where the magic happens. Inside the Marketing area, you'll be directed specifically to the Coupons page. This is your hub for managing all things related to discounts and special promotions. Now, it's time to create a new coupon. Look for the Add Coupon Code button and give that a click. A new modal window will pop up, and this is where you're going to enter all the essential details about your discount. It might seem like a lot to fill in initially, but we'll take it one step at a time to ensure nothing is overlooked. First up, you'll see an option titled Apply Coupon To. This is where you decide how broadly your discount will apply. You can choose to apply it to the total order amount, to a specific product, or even to an entire collection. Think about what makes the most sense for your sales strategy and what your customers might appreciate the most. Next, it's time to enter your coupon code. Make it something memorable and relevant to the promotion. For instance, Summer 20 could indicate a 20% summer discount. Remember, your code has to be unique, so try to choose something distinctive yet easy to remember. Then, you'll decide on the discount type. You can go for either a percentage-based discount or a fixed dollar amount. Each type has its benefits, so choose one that fits your promotional goals. If you're not sure, consider what would be most appealing to your target audience. Don't forget to set how many times this coupon can be used. You might want to keep it limited to create a sense of urgency or open for repeated use, depending on your objectives. Additionally, decide whether you want the coupon to have an expiration date. Setting up a deadline can encourage customers to act quickly. Finally, once you're satisfied with all the details you added, hit the Create Coupon Now button to save your changes. And there you have it. Your discount is ready to go. Remember, if you ever need to make adjustments, or if you decide to remove the coupon, you can easily edit or delete it by selecting the appropriate option next to its listing on the coupons page. And that's it for today's tutorial on adding a sales discount in Payhip. I hope you found this guide helpful and are excited to implement your first promotion. Thank you for watching, and good luck with your sales strategy.